In the cold, pristine Antarctic Ocean, we find the tiny crustacean known as Antarctic krill. The krill is rich in omega-3 phospholipids and the naturally occurring antioxidant astaxanthin. Antarctic krill oil is the world's purest source of marine omega-3. Antarctic krill is found in great abundance all around the Antarctic continent. The estimated biomass of Antarctic krill is twice the biomass of the worldwide human population. Traditional trawling is not suitable because krill rapidly self-destructs under such stress. To preserve the high quality of a krill catch, gentle harvesting followed by immediate processing is essential. Aker BioMarine has developed and patented a new technology for krill harvesting and processing called Aker Eco Harvesting. The trawl net remains submerged throughout the continuous harvesting operation. A conveyor hose is attached to the net. A steady stream of water flows through the hose, bringing live, fresh krill directly on board the ship. This new technology also successfully prevents bycatches of other species. Aker BioMarine. Has a relatively brief life cycle and lives in pristine waters. Thus, Superba Krill Oil is essentially free of environmental pollutants. Aker BioMarine harvests its krill resources in a sustainable way in the cleanest ocean on Earth.